Hi guys, hope all of you are doing well. Assalamu alaikum to all. My name is Yusuf Ahmed. Welcome to the second episode of One Step Forward. In this video, the topic discussed is as follows: the books through which you can take the second step towards understanding Islam. These books have been written on the fundamentals of Islam, discussing the basics. In different periods of time, Islamic scholars have written various books that make it easier a task to understand Islam. Here you will see the books.